AppSec, IT security, IoT security, and malware analysis. Hi everyone. Today's session will be for LStack, guide for the installation of the LStacks on Windows systems. Before we go to that, I'll introduce myself. Hi everyone. My name is Govinda Razle, and I'm excited to welcome you all in to this session. I'm currently working as a cyber defense analyst at CMS IT Services, specialization in SOC, penetration testing, and red teaming, with a background in CDAC, IT infrastructure and system and security. And another, I'm a master's in cybersecurity from IU, Germany. I bring expertise in offensive hacking, AppSec, IoT security, and malware analysis. Currently, IT security. Currently, I'm holding few certificates. One is a ethical hacking, certified ethical hacker. Another one is a red team professional, certified red team professional from Altered Security. And I'm passionate about the building secure environment and conducting in-depth security research and sharing knowledge. Today, I am to provide insight that will empower you to enhance your skills with a focus on hands-on techniques and real-world scenarios. Let's make this session interactive. Feel free to ask any questions and share your thoughts along the way. And please join to our Telegram channel. So you will be getting the resources required for this session as well in future for any opportunities. Please join the Telegram also. Already we have shared the link here, as well as you will be getting links in chat box. So today we'll be going to do a session on LStack, how we can install the ELK, how we can do on Windows. In ELK stacks, we have Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Logstash. This tool from the backbone of modern log management systems for the helping in organization to detect and respond the threat efficiently. By the end of this session, we'll be understand how the ELK stack works and how to use it. And it for the security operation in SOC environment. And we'll go with our agenda, what things we are going to do. First thing here, will know what is the elk stack. In L stack, um, in L stacks, three components are there. One is a Elasticsearch. Basically, we use L stack for search and analytic engine to store and make a queries data. Second is a Logstash. It's a, a data pipeline tool that ingest and process logs. And third one, Kibana, a visualization tool to monitor and explore the logs. Together, these allow organization to collect and process and visualize the logs in a real time, making them ideal for security operation uh, in SOC environments. We'll discuss what is the Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch is like the heart of ELK stack. It stores all your data, whether it's logs, metrics, or events. It also allows you to search and query that data very efficiently. Uh, think of it like a Google search, but for your logs. For example, if you have logs from firewall, you can query them for failed logins attempts from specific IP. There will be like index and documented search queries, which will be helpful for finding out the specific queries. Um, Hacking, apps like IoT security and malware analysis. Currently, IT security. I, okay, um, we'll start again. Okay, we had some issues. We'll start again. Um, we were discussing about the Elasticsearch. Basically, Elastic is the heart of the L stack. It stores the all the data, your data, whether it's a log or metrics or events. It allow it also allows you to search and query your data very efficiently. And um, think of like Google search, but for your logs. For example, if you have logs from firewalls, you can query them for failed login attempts for from specific IP, or if someone trying to log in multiple times, uh, that queries will be we can search in Elasticsearch. Another one is a Logstash. Logstash is a pipeline tool that gathers data from various sources like firewall, network devices, web servers, database, even endpoints, and send it to Elasticsearch. It also allows us to clean and transform the data before sending it. Like imagine Logstash receiving a syslog entries and adding new fields like IP address and user agent. Uh, the transform data is then forwarded to Elasticsearch for more insights. More detailed view we can do with Logstash. Another one is a Kibana. Finally, we have the Kibana. This is a visualization and analytic layer on the top of Elasticsearch. You can use Kibana to build your dashboard, search logs, and make a setup for the alerts. Um, Example, you can create a security dashboard that shows number of fields, number of failed logins, number of failed um, any someone is doing the force attacks. Easily we will able to find out in that basis uh, on the field of field login across your infrastructure and trigger alerts um, if any suspicious patterns are detected, like brute force attacks, DDoS attacks. This is a three stack of elk, uh, Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. How the elk works together in SOC. Um, in elk, um, Logstash collects logs from firewall application and server, and it processes and sends the logs to Elasticsearch for storing and indexing. And later in Kibana, analytics use Kibana to query the logs, create the visualization, and make a setup of alerts. And this pipeline ensures that security team can quickly detect, identify incidents such as brute force attacks and response in the real time. This is the main objective of the stack. Afterwards, we'll be doing a installation of the elk stacks. For that, we have to download one by one um, every tool, and we have to make it then setup for working condition. So um, you guys can start with me also, or else you can wait for a whole video to be, or this session to be completed. Uh, So once you will be getting an idea of what how you can do that, right? So I'll start by mm, downloading the one by one tools. First, we'll be downloading the L stack for Windows. Basically, we are doing for the Windows right now. We'll download the Elastic from here. Here are many options are there for Mac also, Linux also. As of now, we are going to choose the Windows. This is a L stack, Elasticsearch for the Elasticsearch for the Elastic, sorry, L stack. Another one is a Kibana. We'll download that also. Mostly, I think nearly 400 MBs. It will be there for the Elastic. Same, I think for Kibana also. Yeah, this is a 500 MB. Another is a Logstash. So once these all completed, we'll start the um, actual installation one by one. If you guys have any questions, meanwhile, you can drop your questions in chat box. So we can resolve that now. So basically, system requirements will be for this session Windows, and minimum RAM will be 4 GB. You need to have a Java 8 or 11 installed on your system for the L stack, sorry, Elasticsearch, and you will require a internet access to download the packages. These are all packages. These are the requirement for the right now for L stack. Later we'll be downloading for the Elasticsearch zip file from their official site. We already have downloaded that. Just we'll wait for the download to complete. No, I have done a CH from AC Council. As they have been saying, right? So I have done CH from the EC Council and any other platform. Okay. Any other platform you can use Docker instead of Windows, or we can install on Ubuntu directly. Um, right now, see, we are not preferring like this whole sessions. It's going to be on Windows, and I have not tried on Mac because I don't have any Mac right now. So we'll go through only Windows. So right now, Elasticsearch is getting downloaded. I think it's going to be finished now. We'll, okay, Elasticsearch is downloaded, and I'll move this file to my C drive. Already have created one folder here, Elasticsearch, sorry, Elastic Stack. I'll paste here. Okay. Okay. I'm going to extract it. Check for another. This both Kibana and Logstash also completed download. Copy Logstash. This I have pasted in C folder, which happening. I I'm doing something already. I have downloaded the same. I'll copy that. Kibana is here. I'll extract that one. Stash. We have all three files in our C drive, Elastic folder. So first we'll go with Elasticsearch. So here you will be getting a bin folder, and bin folder will be getting a Elasticsearch bat file. In config file, you'll be able to see the configuration file, that is a YML file, and another few files which are related. We'll be going to see in upcoming videos. So we'll do configuration first, then we'll start the Elasticsearch. Before that, we'll do one thing. We'll make a setup of environment in our system, advanced setting, add a environmental variables to path. And add an inventory of Elasticsearch. I'll do the same thing for Kibana as well as Logstash. This will be going to help for directly we can access these tools in terminal. We have added the Logstash also. These are the Elastic, Kibana, and Logstash. Okay, okay, okay. That's good then. I'll go to Elastic and I'll open the Elasticsearch config YML file. We will be able to see the wait, let us begin. I'll open again. We'll be getting a this YML file. We have to edit the few entries here. Just like here in Elastic, we have to open the port. For the Elastic port, it will be a 9200. You can directly search or okay, yeah, 9200. And another one is a network host. I'll do one thing here. I'll add as a local host. The one is a we will enable the expact security search. on that. So we'll add that. Another expac security dot enrollment dot enabled going to be a tool. Another is a expac dot security http dot ssl dot enable going to be a false. Let us save all the data. We'll see any changes are required there, and we're going to save. That's done now. So now like we'll open a administrative terminal. I'm going to copy the path. Also, like we can directly access Elasticsearch also. Elasticsearch. Yep, it's working. I'll enter and I'll start the Elasticsearch up. It's getting started. Elastic is started, but wait. Stop this one again. Okay. I think we are not getting the um, enrollment key as well as a password here. But already, I think because already I have configured this, that's why it's not getting the um, key and password. But if you see here, you will be able to get the password for Elastic. This is a user as Elastic, and you'll be getting a password here. And down enrollment key, sorry, or enrollment token. We have to use that token in our Kibana for making a setup of Kibana. So this is a done. We'll start Kibana now. Same thing we'll be going to do in Kibana config also. we'll see required fields like a server host, server name. This is server name. We'll enable this one. And port also. Yeah, we are going to use the port number 5601. And another is a Elasticsearch host name host. You'll be getting here. And we have to add here two fields. Save object max export slides. Another is a server dot max payload bytes. It will be a 10, 8, 7, 6. I will be I will going to save this and I will start the Kibana now. Yeah, you'll be getting here max payload, but that's okay. I'll start the Kibana now. We'll be getting a this kind of blue warning. Just run it. Ask for the permission. Yeah, Kibana is started now. Once you get like this kind of Kibana, but whenever you go first time, you will be able to see as like you'll be able to get the URLs for the local host. And once you click there, you'll be redirected to a browser. I'll open the browser with port number. Localhost will test the connection of for the Elasticsearch on port number 19200. We'll be able to see here it's working and Elasticsearch is working. We'll open a port dashboard. Okay, Kibana is not ready. Let's start again. So we are getting a error. Our Elasticsearch, it's working, but we will Kibana, it's not working. It's not server getting ready. So we'll check what's happening there. First, we'll see our Kibana. Stop. Else type else. Let's start again. So we'll start Elastic. Started. Able to see here also. Kibana. Check one more time in dashboard. Yeah, started, but for showing you, I'll log out this. Once you get the Kibana, you will be able to see this kind of page where you have to give the enrollment token, which we got earlier in Elasticsearch terminal, like this one. like this one. It's not going to be a purple or anything, just I have made a highlighted. A username will be a elastic, and you'll be getting a password here, and enrollment token. Later, you'll be able to use that token to enroll in um, dashboard, Elastic dashboard. You have to paste the token and you have to configure the Elastic. Once completed, you will be getting a configuration. It will be started. Configuration will be complete, and then you will be able to see the login page. That login page will be your Elastic, whatever password we got from Elastic terminal. You have to paste here. Once you are going to paste that and login, you will be getting a this dashboard. In this dashboard, you will be able to see many things. Welcome screen, even side panel. We will be getting a tools for your use cases like analytics, observability, and management. In management tools, we'll be mostly using a dev tools, or we are going to be a dashboard or discovery for the making a alerts, and that's going to be observability. We'll start the Logstash. Uh, we'll, uh, we'll do Logstash. We already extracted the folder, and we'll go to a config file, and here already we have some files like uh, the Logstash sample, logs YML file. But here we'll be creating a one more file for our um, getting a data from our system to LStack. I'll create one. I'll copy this as a sample, paste it, going to rename it Logstash test. I'll open in VS Code. So you'll be seeing things here. I'll add few details to this file. Already have created the file, so I'll use that also here. Already we have started. This is a LStack terminal. Another is a Kibana. I'll copy this file to my Logstash. We'll open this. In this, we have given input filters, the data, whatever output we need to send to Elasticsearch. This is a output field. It's a JSON file. It's going to be a comment config file. We have to use like host names, which we have to send the data. Index, what until the index what we have to send, and username and password. We can change the password. We can leave it as it, and we'll run this file with the will open a administrator terminal. Then we'll write a command logstash dot pat file F for the file. We're going to take the file from our earlier created, that is a logstash config file. I'll copy the path of that file and paste it in a logstash command. And we'll start the logstash now. We have to wait for the few seconds. It's going to be a start. Pipeline is created. It's running. And we can see the data is going. In the data current timestamped date and time, host name of the laptop or desktop, which are right I'm using. What is the message, if message is there, and what is the version of the message. Environment already we have here as a environment and development fields as a filter. And if I something type here, hello everyone, it's going to be a one entry, a message. See, same thing. We will be able to see this in our Elasticsearch. For that, we'll be using a dev tools to see it's getting connected or not. So here, correct. One ignore. Okay. This will come after your login. Just select the Explore on my own, and you'll be getting a dashboard. Just go to your dash dev tool, and you'll be getting this console. Just you have to refresh or to remove this all data, and we'll type a new our commands. We want data whatever we have sent just now, just like get logstash star everything which we want. Let us search. We are searching the data. And this is going to be a query where we want to get the all data which are present, matching data present, and all. Okay. Now we'll run this, and you will be able to see the data which we have shared just now over the terminal from the terminal. Here you will be see I have written a message in terminal that I'm getting in this div tool. If I type something, um, this is a session for elk installation. I'll be getting that message here also. Yeah, we are getting the actual message we have written in terminal. That's the thing we can get to know, like we have done the proper installation of the elk stack. If you guys have any questions right now, you can ask. In this, like we can do many things. We can use multiple configs to share the data. Like already we have sample. We'll try to use that. I'll stop this one as a problem. Yep. I'll use sample Logstash sample config. Already ready. We'll wait. Well, we can see the dashboard. In dashboard, we can create a data views here. Um, Even we can make a canvas for your work, templates, maps. We'll be able to see the which nodes are there present or the data is coming from where. Um, we can create the alert systems by installing the different tools here, like the file beats, agents, heartbeats. This is going to be in observability. We can explore the many things, like they have introduced many features. We have a security dashboard. Be able to see here that can create a dashboard here with the creating a visualization of the data. As of now, it's not a production environment. Just this is a test environment. That's why we are not getting any dashboard or any logs data. When we can find out the any attack discovery here, we can find out the potential attacks with the help of AI also. And for a basic version, it will be not there. Like few features are there. You can use that for learning purpose. So in after doing that, like once we get the Elastic token, we'll be able to see the configuration file, sorry, configuration dashboard. Then we have to log in. Once we log in, we'll be able to see the Elastic page where we have to, if you want to add the integrations, or we can go by explore on my own. Later, we'll be able to see the dashboard and That's one. Um, yeah, here in same tools we can add the rules um, for detection. Um, we can find the use cases. It's not it's loading, but we didn't have any data, so it will not show anything. See, that's the error. We'll wrap up our demo. Now, I would like to open the door floor for the questions. Feel free to ask anything about the health setup or any troubleshooting if you want to do right now. I can help you uh, with you now only by live. Questions regarding only for the setup. And once this sessions goes down, like um, completed after completing the setup, uh, in Telegram you'll be getting a installation guide for your reference. You can use that guide for your uh, making a setup of health in your system. Guys, do you have any questions to ask related to this health setup? Okay, then with summary, uh, the L stack is a power tool for log management and security. We have covered the how to install the Elasticsearch and Logstash for the collecting and processing the logs from multiple sources. Just we saw the how we can send the data to Elasticsearch. And Kibana, we have done installation with um, Kibana helps us for visualizing the data and gain the insight through the dashboard and alerts. With this, we'll be going to wrap up this session and we are going to close the. If we didn't have any questions, we'll stop this session now. Um, I'll check one more time if any questions are there. If not, then we can stop. As of now, I'm not getting any questions, so I'll stop this session now.